everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make a trap, a door trap. When you open the door, you explode. Let's get started. So, first, dig 2 blocks under the surface, well, just under where your door's going to be. Well, dig 3, and then place your observer, and your door is facing down. In other words, your face is facing up. Next, place your door on top of the observer. And if you're outside, if you want someone to come from outside and open the door, I recommend you make it face this way. But if you want someone to come out of the house and fall for it, then it should face this way, because if it's facing this way, if it's facing this way, coming from outside, they'll see the trap. So make sure they just can't see it. So anyway, now place TNT and then redstone dust, and then cover it all up. And then just pretend this is a door frame, right? So make a door frame, blah, 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 make a house. And then pretend you're this guy walking in. You're just walking. You open the door. And you die. That's if you're in survival. Anyway, that's how you make a door trap. Next, I'm also going to show you a trapped chest trap. So this time, you don't have to place an observer on it. You just place a trapped chest, as much TNT as you like, and then your redstone dust. Close it all up, and when you open this trap chest, you die from the explosion, and you explode. Thanks for watching. Bye.